Welcome back, guys. So today we're here with another package from Jaliza. Listen, I'm always excited for Jaliza's wig, because you know whenever you see Jaliza, you're going to say a bomb braided wig, right? Love the minimalistic packaging as usual. So let's get into it. Right, very nicely packaged. Everything is branded as usual. So inside the package I got a pair of wig caps. Oh, I got these very wispy dramatic lashes, a pair of that. Also got this. I got this little envelope, and this is just like, I guess it has, I love how nicely they package everything. It's very classy. So just information cards that are in here, and if you need to return it, this is the card for that. They also have, you know, a hair care, how to care for your wig card, and then there's another one for cashback information. Then finally in the box we have the branded Jaliza bag, and you know, it just has their website listed. This is what has the wig, obviously. So let's get into it. So this is the wig, guys. As I said, yes, a beautiful braided wig. It's a knotless human hair roots box braided wig. It's 36 inches long, and it's a pre-bleached full lace constructed wig. All right, it's 100 strands on it, and it's a kinky human baby hairline. All right, which you can obviously see. It has the braids are like this nice chocolate brown color. Again, they did it again. Like, look at how realistic the lace looks. Realistic, like scalp, because they already bleached it, as I said. So this is how the inside looks. Again, it's another full lace wig. It has this adjustable elastic band, which is removable. It has two combs in the back here. They went ahead and tagged it as well, and there are also two combs on the side here. And yeah, there's also two adjustable straps in the back, so you can adjust that as much as you like. And then I'm just gonna remove the extra lace in the back here, and then we can get started on this quick and easy installation. I'll be using my spray for today's install, but it looks so good. The parting and everything is so neat. But yeah, let's get into it. So this is the wig after I slip it on, and I must say the roots definitely look very natural, like it's my own hair that was braided. Like, you see that it even has like a little bit of, I don't know if they were intentional with this, but it has that like kinky, it does say kinky, you know, but it have like a little furry, like fuzzy vibe to the roots. Don't know if that was intentional, but I mean, it does add to the realistic look of everything. So as I said, I'm going to use my spray for today's adhesive, and already you guys know my vibe, which is basically always doing a half up, half down, which, you know, there's a bunch of other styles you can explore with braided wigs though, like, or braids, or because these wigs do look very realistic. So I do need to cut off a little bit of the excess lace on the side, so I'm gonna kind of like speed through all of that. So let's get into it. As you guys can see, I just removed my elastic band. I'm just gonna cut away the extra lace. It really hasn't been a hassle with installing it, and very much not too time consuming, because I feel like the lace is actually so easy to work with. I mean, once you look at the construction of this wig, you really can't expect any less of a quality. Like, the quality is really good, so I absolutely love that. Minimalistic braided vibe, like the natural edges and everything. And I opted to not do the most with like swoops and stuff, because I wanted to keep that natural kind of kinky vibe in the front. So naturally, you know, you guys can go ahead and feel free to style this, you know, in different ways, you know, play around with it, because you know it's a full lace wig. So do as much styles as you please that you want to do. So natural looking, right? Like, look at that. Very natural. Scalp. It's giving scalp. Yeah. One thing, you know, you guys can't say I don't give you variety. I've given you braided wigs where I do up the edges, and now I'm showing you one where, just like how I do regular wigs where I don't necessarily always do the edges and, you know, all of that, I try my best to cater to everybody. That's so important to me, because nobody wants to feel left out. Even the person that's not into certain things, every once in a while people like to switch it up. So yeah, I feel like this is giving that. And then the color too just makes it a little bit more, I don't know, something about it just give me that, you know, natural girl vibe. So yeah, that's how we're looking. Let me turn the back. And then you guys know I had to do my signature braided wig style, which is my half up half down, but the one that I pulled to the back of my head. Again, so natural. And then for the third style, and then this is my third look. Ooh, really high bun vibes. It's very different. I've never really done my bun so high before, but it's different. It's like a nice tight bun. But yeah, you see how natural the hairline looks? What? Yeah, Jaliza, wanna go on with it yourself. I very much appreciate that. The lace blended, it melted down so nicely. I went ahead and switched it up one last time for you guys. I just did these little two pieces in the front and back with my original half up half down. It looks so effortless. That's what I love about it. But yeah, that's it for today's final wig look. Let me know what you guys think. Shout out to Jaliza for another bomb braided wig. They did their thing. I highly recommend Jaliza wig if you're looking for a well constructed braided wig. They continue to prove themselves where quality is concerned. I know a lot of people concerned when it comes down to braided wig is, you know, them looking too unrealistic and bulky and just like you're wearing a helmet, you know, and I don't feel like that's the case when wearing a braided wig from Jaliza. So yeah, go ahead, check them out. As I said, everything will be in my description box. If there are any discount codes or sale going on, that will be listed, so check them out. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on yourself.